Good morning, ma'am. I'm Sasmita. I'm from Pranathur branch and my partner name is Srimoy Banerjee.
Good morning, ma'am. I'm Shrimoy. Good morning, everyone. So this is the name of our game, Story Puzzle. Guess me right. So we have selected grades one and two. We have selected grades one and two for this particular game. But this game can also be implemented for the higher grades as well by just modifying the content of this particular game. So we'll just go to the next slide. So the objectives of this particular game are that there will be improvement in reading skills. Children at this point of time, they have a lot of problem in reading a particular text, and then there will be an improvement in the vocabulary. Stock of words would improve, and spelling errors are very common at this particular age. So there will be upgradation in the spellings. Children will start making less spelling errors, and there will be a proper application of cognitive skills as well as adequate improvement in social skills. By this I mean that children will have a lot of mental activity through this game, because children sometimes, most of the time in fact, they tend to mug things up instead of understanding and applying the concept. And certain children are there who are very shy and not at all social. They don't know how to cooperate with their classmates, especially in group activities. So this particular game is a group activity, and it will help them to enhance their social skills as well, which is very important. So we'll directly go to the game. So what we have done is we will divide the class into several groups, and we will take stories, and we will divide each story into several parts. So for a small example, each what we will do is we will each group will have three members. So here for a small example, we have taken one story and we have divided into three groups. So each group will get each part of the story. So let's take, we have group A, group B, and group C in the class. So this is the first part of the story. So obviously group A will get the first part of the story. Now group A, suppose let me say that let's take that group A has three members: Sushmita A, Sushmita B, and Sushmita C. So the first member of the group is going to read the story, the part of the story that they have received. So Sushmita A, please read.
The name of the story is The Helping Hand. Ouch, Mama Heron hurt her wing and leg part wire. Mama Heron cried for help. I am hurt. I cannot get back home to my children. But no one stopped to help. Soon Novita Novi came riding on his bike and saw Mama Heron. He said, I will help you. Quickly he cut the wire and released her. At this stage, we will stop sharing our screen.
Yeah, because after that, what we will do, what the teacher will do, take certain words from this particular passage, and we will write the clues of this word in the colored papers over here. So the second member of this particular group, she is going to choose any one of those colored papers. So let's take the Sushmita B is the second member. So Sushmita B, you choose any one color.
Yes, I will choose pink color.
Okay. Now the third member, what she is going to do is, so I'll just, the teacher, she is going to display the uh, clue that has been there over here, and written on this particular chit. So she is going to read the clue out.
I do this when I am in trouble. I also start with the letter C.
Okay. So now what we will do is all the members of all the groups, what they will do is they are going to write the answer of this particular clue in the chat box. So whichever member writes the answer first in the chat box of whichever group, so that particular group gets 1 point. So 1 point for each group. So like this, we will continue with the rest of the story, and whichever group comes out with the highest point, as I said that each group has will get 1 point each. So whichever group will come out with the highest points, that group is the winner of this game. Now, in fact, in case we have a tie between two or three groups. Suppose we have a tie between two groups. So what we will do, we will randomly select any word. It is not necessarily that it has to be from the passage, and then we are going to write the clue on this particular chip. And this plate, the teacher is going to read the clue itself, and then we are going to select the second member of that particular of those two groups, between which there's a tie, and we will ask them to write the answer in the chat box. So whoever writes the answer first in the chat box, that particular group is the winner of this game. So this particular game will help the children to improve their reading skills, as well as then it will be a little interesting, because since spellings are something that children do not like to learn, like to learn. So this will give an interesting twist, and it will help the children, to develop an interest in learning certain words and develop their skills as well. So that's all.